The Team Ignite experience features our diversity, equity, and inclusion solution, coaching, cooking, and inclusion. A live virtual experience designed to help your organization create its very own diversity, equity, inclusion, and belonging menu. To ignite an open dialogue and empower your workforce. Spark real-life conversations to improve productivity and morale. Get excited about consciously interrupting bias to transform your organization and community. Inspire collaboration and equity to fuel intellectual capital. Experience leading with a focus on D&I and more through virtual live events seen from across the world. Participate in a live cooking demo with a chef in your kitchen. Have fun and meet our celebrity chefs. Create a healthy, balanced diet, organization, and workforce. Through carbohydrates because they provide energy and inspire teamwork. Healthy communications like fruits and veggies and are loaded with the vitamins and minerals needed to stay healthy. Leadership will give you the protein needed to build a strong workforce and overcome any challenges. Accountability is like dairy. It will provide you with the calcium needed to strengthen your bones and inspire employees. And to keep your organs safe and organization evolving, we need innovation and facts. Coaching, cooking, and inclusion will help your organization drive results and performance. Contact us now. Team Ignite, igniting the fire within and driving the human spirit.